Let's make the best breakfast hash. First, get some oil hot and saute your onions until they're nice and soft. Once those are fragrant, go ahead and add in your ground meat. We'll just break that up as it browns beautifully with the onions. I'm adding a little paprika for color and flavor at this stage. It really makes all the difference. And of course, we need garlic powder to bring out that savory taste. Then I like to finish with a generous amount of black pepper. A pinch of Himalayan pink salt is essential here. Now give everything one final mix, so every single piece gets perfectly seasoned. For our eggs, crack them into another pan. Once cooked, pour them right over the top, and there you have it.